To create a Wise account or sign up for Wise, start by opening a browser on your mobile device or desktop, or use the mobile app. Type in wise.com to access the official homepage, where you'll find the Sign Up option at the top right corner of the screen. If you already have an account, you can log in by selecting the Log In option and entering your credentials. However, if you don't have an account, you can create a new one. There are 4 ways to create a Wise account: by entering your email address, or by using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Once you've chosen your sign-up method, you'll be prompted to select the type of account you want to open: a personal account or a business account. After selecting your account type, enter your country of primary residence and proceed. Next, you'll be asked to enter your phone number to verify it. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone number, which you'll need to enter on the Wise website. After verifying your phone number, you'll need to create a new password for your Wise account. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be created. Throughout the process, make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure that your account is set up correctly. By following these steps, you can easily create a Wise account or sign up for Wise.